the gentle rhythm of the flowing stream, healing whispers of water softly gleam. A symphony of droplets, a healing embrace, nature's melody bringing peace and grace. Pitter-patter of rain on window panes, washing away worries, easing all pains. Each droplet a balm, a cleansing cascade, renewing the spirit, a healing serenade. Crashing waves upon a sandy shore, a roaring chorus forever to adore their mighty power, a soothing refrain, healing the heart, washing away all strain. Trickling fountains, a delicate dance, a healing symphony, a tranquil trance. Their gentle babble like a lullaby, calming the mind as moments flow by. In quiet lakes, reflections shimmer and gleam, mirroring tranquility, a healing theme. The whispers of water, a tranquil embrace, healing the soul in its gentle grace. Let us immerse in nature's healing symphony, embracing the sounds of water, forever free. For in these melodies we find peace anew, restoring our spirits in waters